Order of operations, part 2. So now we've solved example 2. Let's move on to example 3. Example 3. Frake's patient weighs 360 pounds and has already consumed 24 ounces of water. How much more water should the patient consume? So we first know that 360 is not on the fluid chart. We also know that there's a pattern of 20 pounds of weight is for every 8 ounces a person should drink. So let's just write down that part of the equation. So we have 360 pounds and we're going to divide by 20. We need to get this number to determine how many 20 pounds there are in 360 pounds. Then we will multiply this number by 8 to get the total number of ounces that this person must drink. So the number we get from that, inside the parentheses, we multiply by 8. And then finally we subtract the number of ounces the patient has already consumed, which is 24. So minus 24. Now we have our equation. Let's solve this using please excuse my dear and Sally. So first we solve within the parentheses. So 36 divided by 20. So if you don't know this, which is more than okay, we will look at this in long division. So 20 goes into 36 one time, because 20 times 2 would be 40, so that's too much. So 20 can go into 36 20 times. So 20 times 1 is 20. So we'll do this subtraction. We get 16 below. Bring down the 0, we get 160. So we know that to get to 2 to 16, we'd have to multiply by 8. So we can kind of ignore the zeros. So we can think of it like this. So in that scenario, if we're looking at it. But now, let's just check. So 20 times 8, 0 times 8, 0. 2 times 8, 16. So we have 160, which is perfect. So this number is 18. For 360 divided by 20 is 18. So let's continue on. So we have the number 18 times 8 minus 24. So 18 times 8, because I need to do this off to the side. So 8 times 8 is 64. So we bring down the 4, carry the 6. 1 times 8 is 8, but we're going to add that 6. So we get a total of 14. So we have 144. So 144 minus 24 gives us an answer of 120 ounces.